As we said, we cannot talk about the Holy Quran without beginning to talk about upon whom it was revealed, whom Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continuously says salawat upon him, and the malaika of the arsh and all the malaika say salawat upon him, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, on whose heart it came to receive all this divine ulum and to carry this universal message to humanity, that this is Al-Habib al-Mukhtar, the most chosen beloved of Allah Azza wa Jal, the light of every shining light, the revealed secret of all secrets, the antidote medicine that cures all ill thoughts in others, the best of the entirety of Allah's creation, the first scintillating light that was gifted to shine in the forehead of our father Adam alayhi salatu wassalam, the most noble being among Allah's creation, the elite, most gracious and privileged and praiseworthy one, whose Lord endowed him with special privileges over the entirety of Allah's creation in the heavens and across the universes, the true features of extreme grace and unique beauty and light, whose look conveys joy and perfection, augustness and effulgence, the super sire of all the noble elite, in whom Allah embedded the most perfect of all perfection of noble attributes. Why would that divine perfection and Ruh al-Qudus alayhi salam come down other than to Kamil al-Awsaf, one who is most perfect from the beginning? For such most perfect of all perfection, the final holy book, the divine clear message, the primal book that was originally inscribed in the sacred tablet, Lawh al-Mahfuz, the holy book carried by the most trusted of Malaika angels, the Holy Spirit Jibreel alayhi salatu wasalam, such perfection and completeness. Jibreel alayhi salatu wasalam, who can access the entire firmaments and heavens in a blinking of an eye. He is where he wants to be all the time. He is where he wants to be at all times. Hence, the recipient of such divine trust had to be in such a state, incomparable beauty and purity, perfection and sacred state. That's Rasul-Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.